got something to say to all you guys. All these little fucking young bucks that come up in this world think they fucking run shit. With age, I can say, comes wisdom. And I'm going to share a little of that wisdom with each and every one of you today. All you people think you got friends? Oh, you got such a strong circle of friends? I hate to tell you, if 1% of them people are your friends, you're a lucky fucking man. I've had many associates in life. I fought beside some. I bled with many. Took shots for some. I've been fired at. And 90% of them aren't my friends today. So when you motherfuckers out there in this planet call people your friends, you better know who you and what you're talking about. And that's just a little wisdom from an old man. Aloha. I'm out.